Hey guys, serious one this. Make sure your YouTube channel is as secure as it can be. If you've seen on Twitter, if you follow Think Media, great channel for YouTube content experts, they got hacked by this Tesla official scam, this Tesla scam. So basically what happened is somebody took over their podcast channel and deleted all the content, changed the name, and then they run a live saying Tesla will give you, will double your crypto money. If you send them some money, they'll double it. And they run a live scam, and it is with Elon Musk on it. So if you go to, I search Think Media podcast, and obviously nothing's showing up. And if you go to channel and channel, sorry, if you go to filter and channel, it'll come up here. Look, Tesla, 85,000 subscribers. This one. So this is the Think Media podcast. 3 million views. It's probably got more than that. But you can see the lives are still Think Media. The playlists and the content in the community tab is Think Media. So what they do, what used to happen when YouTube didn't have the subscriber count, you used to be able to hide your subscriber count. So this, people were setting up like the PGA Tour did one. The PGA Tour didn't one. They set up a channel called PGA Tour and did a live with Tiger Woods and a Tesla scam. So it looked real because you couldn't see the subscriber count number. Whereas now, you can see it and you go, oh, this must be real. They've got 83,000 subscribers. But they have obviously stolen this channel. So the big part about this is, and it's interesting, well, they've changed it, right? Let's go back to see what Think Media do on they're about this email address, right? This isn't why Think Media got scammed, but this email address, I'm not going to click on it. Make sure your first priority is to not have that email being your Gmail or your Google account that logs into your YouTube, right? So either don't show an email here, people can contact you other ways, can't they? Or if you do, go and set up another Gmail and just forward that email to your main account. So the about page email, make sure it isn't your admin email. That's just a basic, first action to get away from it. Make sure your Gmail account is dual authenticated. So every time you log in, they send a code to your phone. Two-factor authentication. Make sure that is set up. Now, also interesting on this thread is somebody put here, Thomas Frank. Is he the Chelsea manager? No. Who's Thomas Frank manager? Anyway, he put, this sucks. It's common enough that there's a process now for it through paging YouTube liaison. I don't mean it means paging. I guess that means messaging. So YouTube liaison so a lot of people will tag Team YouTube, but YouTube liaison sounds like the person to go to. For future, minimize people who have manager access and make sure they have phishing training. That apparently happens through browser session exploit. So if you've got other people allowed to access your channel, be wary of who you've let in, of course. If there's people that have left, I'm not saying they're the ones that are going to do it, but you might be able to get access through them. So this browser session exploit is done at the server side. So it isn't really anything you can do anything about. It's more maybe something YouTube has to get better at. It sounds like the hackers can exploit the connection between you and the web server, or they just hack the server itself. I don't know enough technical about it. So the reason they got hacked is not necessarily anything to do with the password and the two-factor authentication, but to get it back, remember that YouTube liaison is out. I'd go Team YouTube and YouTube liaison. Eventually, I think they'll have a web page where you can fill out all. Well, they should do, shouldn't they? Have a web page where they fill out all your information. But to really just make sure this email, create another Gmail, forward that Gmail to your main channel, or just get rid of this business inquiry altogether. I don't know how much you want to get contacted, but this is why on Punk TV I'm going to be pushing to have your own websites, your own forums, your own places to take people away. If God forbid your channel goes tomorrow, what would you do? If YouTube can't get it back, if the next hack down the line is completely deletes everything, they can't get it back, where would you go to get all these people back onto your channel? So if you've got a forum, which I recommend at least a forum, and I don't mean on Facebook, I don't mean on Twitter, I mean your forum, your website where you keep your information, and maybe your training courses or whatever you do. But start building. Look, forum. This is how much I believe in it. Punk TV forum, punk.com, business forum. Z1 EXP is another business forum. Get people from your YouTube channels. So punk.com is my training channel and my entertainment channel. Z1EXP is my training channel, and punk.tv is this channel's forum. So be careful, be vigilant. There's absolute scumbags in the world. It's only going to get worse. And I'm sure Think Media will get their channel back, but what an absolute pain in the arse to have to mess about doing when YouTube's hard enough already, isn't it? Cheers for watching. Any questions? Fire them below. Punk out.